Hi folks, it's so lovely to be here with you today announcing this brand new weave along. I had the idea that when this channel reached 12,000 subscribers that I would then do a weave along, and we've zoomed past 12,000 subscribers, so I thank you very much for all of your support. It's you guys who make this possible. So I asked the question on Instagram and Facebook what people were interested in doing as a weave along, and quite a few people suggested a spring table runner, which I thought was a brilliant idea. Even though it's not spring here in Australia, we're just coming into autumn, but still I know how wonderful it is when spring comes after a long winter, so I thought that was a beautiful idea, and that is what I have done. So I hope you like my interpretation of your idea of the spring runner. So what do you have to do if you want to join in? Okay, first of all, I've got the pattern all written out for you, and that is available for you to download and to print out or to view on your screen on my online weaving school, and I will put the link to that down below underneath this video. I'm also going to put the link to our Facebook group, which is a really terrific support place for weavers of all different levels. It's a very welcoming and enthusiastic group, and we will be discussing the table runner weave along there as well. When you have a look at the pattern and you are going to decide on your yarn, you won't necessarily be able to get the same yarns that I've used, but I have put in a link for Yarn Sub, which is a really fantastic resource. So it's yarnsub.com. You go to the website, you can put in the exact yarn that I used, and it'll give you a list of substitute yarns. It's just an absolutely brilliant site. I'll be putting up the first video for this weave along early next week. I wanted to give you a little bit of time first to organize your yarn and decide on what you're going to need to do. So you can look forward to seeing that video very soon. And also, of course, if you don't like my color choices that I've used for my table runner, you can absolutely choose your own colors and go ahead and do that. So this project incorporates a few different techniques. We've got 2 different pickup techniques, and then we've got some surface embroidery as well. The project is good for people with some experience at the loom, although if you need the extra help in warping and that sort of thing, I do have videos available to purchase. So I hope you can join me in this weave along. I'm really looking forward to it, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So until next time, happy weaving!